it's me again, Dr. Vanu from GLOJAS Aesthetic Clinic.
The mainstream treatment for eczema or ectopic dermatitis
To keep your skin from drying out. If the skin gets dry or scaly, it tends to look like this. You'll develop itchy rashy bumps over your skin folds and also your hands, and it can be really hard. Firstly, as a pharmacological approach, one should stop scratching it. Use lukewarm water for shower and always moisturize and use emollient for your skin to fight over the skin barrier. Make sure there's nothing that you're allergic to is in the environment and try to cut off all the triggers that can cause you eczema. Short bath may also be used to shape your dead skin. Topical creams such as corticosteroids or calcineurin inhibitor or phosphodiesterase type 2 topical cream can give optimum benefits as well.